Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Ford EcoSport headlights. First, find the headlight control stalk, typically located on the left side of your steering column. This stalk is your primary interface for managing your vehicle's lighting. You'll rotate the end of this stalk to select various light modes. Familiarize yourself with the symbols for off, parking lights, and full headlights to ensure proper operation. Once you've located the stalk, rotating it clockwise will engage different lighting options. The first click typically activates your parking lights, which illuminate small marker lights at the front and rear of your vehicle. A second click will turn on your low beam headlights, suitable for most driving conditions. These provide ample light without blinding oncoming traffic, ensuring safety for everyone on the road. For maximum visibility on unlit roads, you can activate your high beam headlights. Simply push the control stalk away from you, towards the dashboard. To momentarily flash your high beams, perhaps to signal another driver, pull the stalk towards you and release it. If your EcoSport is equipped with fog lights, you'll usually find a separate inner ring on the stalk that you can rotate to turn them on. Many Ford EcoSport models also come with an auto headlight setting. When selected, your vehicle will automatically turn the headlights on or off based on ambient light conditions, offering convenience and improved safety. Remember to regularly clean your headlight lenses to ensure optimal light output and visibility. A clear lens can make a significant difference in how well you see and are seen. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.